Islamabad High Court, Islamabad, as acting Chief Justice of the said court with effect from the date he makes oath of his office till the appointment of regular Chief Justice. Your Excellency, Mr. President, may I request you to administer the oath of office to Mr. Justice Sardar Mohammad Sarfraz Dogar as acting Chief Justice of Islamabad High Court.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
I
Justice Sardar Mohammad Sarfraz Dogar,
do solemnly swear
do solemnly swear
that I will bear faith and allegiance to Pakistan,
I will bear true faith and allegiance to Pakistan,
that
that
as acting Chief Justice of Islamabad High Court,
acting Chief Justice of Islamabad High Court,
I will discharge my duties
I will discharge my duties
and perform my functions honestly, to the best of my ability, and faithfully, in accordance with the Constitution of Islamic Republic of Pakistan and law.
in accordance with the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan and the law.
That
That
I will abide by the code of conduct issued by the Supreme Judicial Council.
I will abide by the code of conduct issued by the Supreme Judicial Council.
That
That
I will not allow my personal interest
I will not allow my personal interest
to influence my official conduct
to influence my official conduct
or my official decisions.
or my official decisions.
That I will preserve,
That I will preserve,
protect, and defend the Constitution of Islamic Republic of Pakistan.
and defend the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan.
And that
And that
in all circumstances
in all circumstances
I will do right to all manner of people
I will do right to all manner of people
according to the law,
according to the law,
without fear or favor,
without fear and favor,
affection or ill will.
affection or ill will. Amen.
Thank you. Congratulations.
जस्टिस सरदार मोहम्मद सरफराज डोगर की बहसीत कायम मकाम चीफ जस्टिस इस्लामाबाद हाई कोर्ट की तकरीब हलफ बरदारी ऐवान सदर में होने वाली इस तकरीब में सदर आसिफ अली जरदारी ने जस्टिस सरदार मोहम्मद सरफराज डोगर से बहसीत कायम मकाम चीफ जस्टिस इस्लामाबाद हाई कोर्ट हलफ लिया। आगाह कर रहे हैं आपको तकरीब हलफ बरदारी से जस्टिस सरदार मोहम्मद सरफराज डोगर ने बहसीत
YouTube पर गूगली न्यूज देखने के लिए youtube.com की सर्च बार में गूगली न्यूज टीवी टाइप करें। गूगली न्यूज के पेज पर सुर्ख रंग के सब्सक्रिप्शन वाले बटन पर क्लिक करना ना भूलिए। YouTube पेज पर अपलोड होने वाली वीडियो से बाखबर रहने के लिए बेल आइकन पर क्लिक कीजिए। आपको हर नई वीडियो के बारे में नोटिफिकेशन मौसूल हो जाएगा।